Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to book a moving service through Lugg. So first, open the Lugg app or website and enter your pickup and destination locations. Then after that, choose the type of moving service you need. Then enter the details about the items you're moving so Lugg can determine the appropriate service and pricing for it. Then after that, select your preferred date and time. Then review the estimated cost and moving details before confirming. Now enter the requested information and complete the booking. And once your move is scheduled, check the app for your booking details and any updates from Lugg. So that was how to book a moving service through Lugg. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.